welcome back to my channel. Today is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to all of those who celebrate. If not, Happy Holidays. I hope you're enjoying your day. And by the time this video comes out, it's most likely going to be the new year. Yeah, but it'll be late. So happy 2024. But I thought it might be fun to document this, just to look back in time and spend a cozy Christmas with you guys. So we're not doing anything super crazy. We're just gonna have a cozy Christmas and cook dinner and open gifts and spend time together and watch movies, which is like my favorite kind of Christmas. So of course I have to run to the grocery store because we always forget stuff, and I have last minute pickups. So I'll take you guys with me to do that. Let's go. So it is Tuesday, the day after Christmas, and I woke up this morning thinking I have not been shopping the day after Christmas in a really long time. I still need to find some jeans and a couple of other things, and I have the week off from work this week, so I thought, why not go to TJ Maxx, see what they got? I have a feeling this is a bad idea though. I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot of people, and then I'm gonna regret this decision, but we'll see. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, so that was actually really successful in a way. There was nobody there. I thought it was gonna be like jam-packed full of people. I don't know why I thought that, but I don't know, like the day after Christmas, people have like gift card. Maybe I'm thinking in like the early 2000s, 90s mentality. I don't know if people do that anymore. But yeah, I found some jeans. They're not my favorite, but they were so cheap and they actually fit me. So I was like, let's go ahead and grab these until I find like the perfect pair, because I have like 2 pairs of jeans in rotation right now, and it's just like I need a third pair. So yeah, that was really successful. I'm happy And I think I'm gonna stop by Powell's and yeah, head back home. All right. Hey guys, it is Thursday, December 28th, and I just wanted to wrap this vlog up and just say thank you guys. If you're still here watching, thank you for hanging out with me this week. I had so much fun. We had so much fun just like being lazy nuggets, not doing anything for the entire week, just things that we wanted to do. I also did some wintertime cleaning. I know a lot of people like to do spring cleaning, but before we go into the new year, I like to get rid of things that like no longer serve me. So just like cleaning out stuff, getting rid of stuff, that's been really fun. And also decorating a little bit, adding to our home office has been really fun for me, trying to get things like, I don't know, like you see behind me, just trying to like, it's hard when you move into a new space and you just don't have the same setup that you had before and you're kind of like comparing things in your head. So I'm trying to get out of that and just like enjoy the room for what it is and make it ours. Also, you will notice I got a microphone for my iPhone, so hopefully the sound quality is a little bit better. And yeah, I've just enjoyed relaxing this week, watching movies, having a good time, eating some good food. My mom got me a Nintendo Switch for Christmas, so I've been getting back into playing. I have a PS5, but I really wanted something handheld that I can take with me or just like play in bed and not have to. I wanted to like do more cozy gaming. So who knows, maybe that's in my future. Maybe I'll be a cozy gamer, streamer or something one day. I don't know. But I'm having a lot of fun with that. And I don't know, just doing like, I know this is like super cliche, but just doing a lot of reflecting on this year. It's been a really, really hard year. Personally, a lot of loss, a lot of depressing things. And I'm so thankful that I'm still here. I'm thankful that I'm excited for the new year and what it has to bring me and bring my family. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to have this out before the new year, but most likely this will probably be an early January vlog. So if you're watching this in January, I hope your year is good so far. And remember to take things at your own pace. I think there's a lot of great things about social media, YouTube, TikTok. There's also a lot of comparing yourself to other people and where they are in their journey. And I'm definitely guilty of doing that, especially as a woman in her 30s. And it just seems like so many people are like way ahead of you in life. And I think one of the biggest takeaways that I've had this year is that where you are right now is where you're supposed to be. And it's okay if you need to slow down a little bit and try to figure things out in life. It doesn't matter if you're in your early 20s or if you're in your 50s. Sometimes you have to slow down and reevaluate. And that's okay. Do what you got to do. The world is going to be here. So we know that. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm so excited to continue vlogging in 2024. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.